Hello and welcome back to Core Finance for the third and final interview with Mike van Dulken, and we're looking at sterling euro with a reciprocal pair, different from euro sterling as some may trade it, but looking at sterling euro, sterling the pound, good week or back end of last week as well. Where can it go from here? Can 120 be reached?
Technically, yes. I mean, this chart is of interest to me because of the potential trend lines of both falling highs resistance from May 2016, just before Brexit, as well as an intersecting trend line. Now, having twin resistance, in fact, we could say triple resistance because it's also the March lows and June, July highs. If 114 proves a huge hurdle, could be that we've seen the big move, and if we go south again, we could be going back all the way to the lows. If we can get above those, then, as you're quite right, the door is open for a move back to 120, which back to the highs of 2017 would be a major move.
Mm-hmm.
It would play into the hands of the pro-Brexiteers, saying that we're okay here. On the flip side, it does make life a little bit harder for UK corporates, mm-hmm. by making their goods comparatively more expensive, but only more expensive than they were very recently.
Yes,
they're still technically cheaper than they were back in before the Brexit vote. But it could be a big change, a big hurdle overcome. In terms of drivers that could lead to that, we've got Carney this afternoon. Anything exceptionally hawkish, I'd be very surprised, given that he's only spoken so recently. But that could give sterling a second wind above. Take it sterling euro above 114. If the Fed was exceptionally hawkish, mm-hmm. and set light to the dollar, that could send the euro lower, and that could help this pair higher furthermore. And if the German election dealt us a surprise result, i.e. non-Merkel, mm-hmm. not that I think Schulz would be a disaster, but that could see the euro weaken again. That could send us above here. Obviously, the reverse of all of those is that we come back from that resistance. That 114 could hold. So it could well be a major hurdle to overcome. But we've seen the strength of the move last week was impressive, to say the least. It could well be that that's just overcome with great ease if we hear some more hawkishness from the Bank of England.
Understood. So look around the 114 level as that's a key level resistance, and we could break that or come all the way back down.
Okay.
Mike van Dulken, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.